Too funny.
I get a whole vlog to myself.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm excited.
Possibly.
See, I'm so happy I'm crying. Hey, I can see myself. So we just got done putting up the video. Crystal edits them because I'm no good at it. And I suck. And I don't hold the camera a whole lot because I'm pretty bad as the cameraman. I remember back when I played high school football, one game I was hurt, so I had to record the varsity game. And half the time I missed like a play or something just because I'd either forget to record or I'd be following the wrong guy. And so it was pretty bad. Thank goodness I wasn't there for the film the next day, because I could guarantee you they're all sitting there like, who did this? Who's a camera guy? That'd be me. That'd be me. But yeah, it was pretty bad. We have little Mufasa over here. He's tired as hell. I mean, heck. Sorry, Mom. He's tired. Look at that poor little guy. He's all tuckered out. But that's actually bad, man. Okay. I wish I could just get paid to sit down and stuff. I keep on looking at the screen and not at the the camera. I keep on looking at myself, and man, my face is fat. I'm working on losing weight, but the struggle is real. It's not going very well. My willpower is so low.
I'm about to just put together an extra video of just you.
Why?
Because it's funny. I'm over here almost in tears.
Hey, babe.
What?
Do you sit in a pile of sugar?
Why?
Because you have a pretty sweet ass.
Oh, Lord.
Why'd the gum cross the road?
I don't know.
Because it's stuck to the chicken's foot. Put on butch. Holy crap. I was giant for a minute. Sorry, guys. So me and Crystal did a face swap thing on the Snapchat today. Holy crap. It was weird. She told me I made an ugly girl and that she made a good looking guy, but...
No, I was an ugly guy.
Oh yeah, you said I look good.
Yeah.
She's like, I look good as a guy, but you're an ugly girl. It wasn't very nice. Well, I guess I can't be too offended about that, can I?
No.
If I make an ugly girl, that means I'm good as a guy, right? I wouldn't want to be a good-looking girl, because then I don't know. It's not good.
Good story. Press the shutter button halfway down.
What?
Not all the way down. Halfway.
Where?
Yeah.
There?
The shutter button.
What's the shutter button?
The button that you would use to take the picture. Don't put it down all the way, just halfway, and it'll focus it.
Oh. Camera 101. I suck at it. I keep on looking at the video, and so if they're watching this, they're gonna be like, what are you looking at? I'm looking at your forehead.
Probably a good idea.
Wow, I know what you mean now. Why don't you hold this camera up for a long time and start hurting?
That's why I have to take breaks.
I used to call you weak. Now I'm the weak one.
You used to tell me to do arm or camera curls.
Camera curls. You just boring. You're not looking at us. No, no, no. No, give me that face. That face not nice. I'll give you something to upload.
That makes no sense.
I'll show you what makes sense.
Cory David.
Crystal Elizabeth. Good thing your first name's not McKenna, because then I could be Macbeth.
Oh my god, Cory.
What? Don't judge me. Don't you dare just judge me. I see the judging that you're doing right now. Alright, well, I think I'm done recording, so a lot of this is gonna get cut out. Because Crystal does that.
I'm about to just make an extra vlog for the week and have this be an extra vlog. Because it's just too funny.
I get a whole vlog to myself. Dude, I'm excited.
Possibly.
See, I'm so happy I'm crying. No. I don't know. I'm doing some stupid stuff right now. They'll probably be bored, like he's zooming in, he's zooming out. He's zooming in, he's... Alright, bye guys.